Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the SoftScape Toddler Playtime Corner Climber, a fantastic indoor active play structure designed for infants and toddlers to safely learn climbing, crawling, and sliding. This versatile 4-piece set can be rearranged to stimulate imaginative playtime and is perfect for use in a corner, making it ideal for both in-home and institutional learning environments. Crafted from high-quality, soft foam, this climber encourages motor skill development, helping little ones enhance their hand-eye coordination and social skills as they play. The textured non-slip base ensures stability, while the hook and loop fasteners keep each piece securely in place, providing peace of mind for parents and caregivers. Safety is a top priority, as this product is GreenGuard Gold and CertiPure US certified, ensuring low emissions and compliance with flammability regulations. Maintenance is a breeze with its durable polyurethane material, which can be easily cleaned using a mild soap and water solution, and it's recommended for children aged 9 months to 3 years, with adult supervision required. Measuring 36 inches in length and width and 10 inches in height, this climber requires light assembly and is a wonderful addition to any learning space, encouraging active play and development in a safe and fun way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.